What's up, everyone? Danny Lyden back with another video. Today we are checking out the Tonor TD310 and the TD310 Plus. These are basically the same kit, except for the 310 Plus comes with this nice little boom arm, but if you get the regular TD310 kit, it comes with a desk stand, which is also nice, but when you have a microphone up on the boom arm, you can get it nice and close to your face, and that's going to give you the overall best sound quality. You don't want the microphone to be down on your desk. If you can help it, you want it to be right 2 to 3 inches in front of your mouth. So the 310 Plus kit is the way to go, and it's only around 45 bucks. Normally, one of these little boom arms by itself is going to cost you around $20. So I mean, if it's around a $45 kit, I mean, think about that. You're paying like 25 bucks for the microphone, 20 bucks for the boom arm, and it sounds pretty decent. So the truth is, this is a pretty good value for the money. And just so you know, Tonor did send me this microphone for free to review, but you're still getting my honest opinion. And if you do want to pick one of these up, there's a link in the video's description and the pinned comment as to where you can get one of these bad boys. Now, on the bottom of the microphone, it does have a headphone jack, so you can plug a set of headphones into it and you can hear yourself talk. And you'll be able to hear any audio that plays over your computer as well. It does give you zero latency monitoring, and it is a USB-C USB microphone. Yeah, USB-C. So the microphone itself, it has this nice little color changing RGB ring. It's got a volume up and down button, which will change the gain of the microphone and I think your headphone volume as well. And then it's got a mute button. So if I press this, it's going to turn red and mute the microphone. So let's go ahead and test the mute. So, hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? And yeah, the mute button works pretty good actually. So yeah, we got a mute. Hello, 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 hello. I don't know if you're hearing any type of clicking or anything when I'm pressing that, but overall, I mean, this microphone sounds pretty good for 40 some bucks. I mean, this will get you off to a really good start. So if you're a person that doesn't want to spend much money or can't afford to spend much money, I think this is actually a really good choice for somebody who's on a budget. I mean, it's a great starter microphone. It does sound pretty nice. It comes with the boom arm. You can't really beat that. So let's do a couple of tests. Right now, we're going to see how much keyboard noise it picks up. So I'm going to start talking on my somewhat loud mechanical keyboard. As I say talking, typing. So here we go. Can you hear that? You're probably going to hear a little bit. I mean, you're always going to hear some background sounds, but this is our keyboard test. So let me stop talking for a second. All right, so we are clacking on that keyboard, and let's move on to the next test. Next, we're going to test for pulses and sibilants to see if the microphone pops when we say our P's or if it gets harsh when we say our S's. So Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Sally sells seashells. Sally sells seashells. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Sally sells seashells. Sally sells seashells. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Sally sells seashells. Sally sells seashells. So did we hear much popping, or did we hear much really harsh S sounds that pierce your ears and sound fatiguing? Next, we're going to test the off-axis noise rejection. So let's pull this baby off the boom arm. So check 1 2 1 2. We are going to turn the microphone around. Check 1 2 1 2. How much noise is this thing rejecting? Check 1 2. Now we're over to this side. It is facing the computer, and we are probably not being able to talk into it. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and test the proximity effect of the microphone. So we're going to move it back a little bit, and this is how the microphone sounds when it's about an arm length away. And oh my God, it's coming right at me. It's like a missile. Oh no, this is the way it sounds when it's ready to smash me in the face and blow up like a bomb or a missile. Yeah, I'm an idiot. So yeah, check 1 2 1 2. Now it's getting really close to our mouth, and now we are right up on top of it. We probably sound like Johnny Cash. All right, here comes the singing test. It's like 4 in the morning. There's people sleeping, so I can't really sing the way I normally would, but we'll give it a go anyway. So this will probably sound worse than normal. I'm going to Jackson. I'm going to mess around. I'm going to Jackson. I'm going down, down, baby. Your street in a Range Rover. Street sweeper, baby. Cock trader, let it go. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa, what? Listen to it loud. Said Molly to James. That's a fun motorbike. Now, I basically review things according to the price. If this were like 99 bucks, I would definitely review it a little bit differently. For $99, you can get a handheld microphone that'll give you pro quality sound, but you also have to go out and buy an audio interface, which will cost you another 100, 200, 300 bucks. So, you know, that's going to be a lot more expensive to where you can buy something like this now that comes with a little boom arm. And if you ever decide to replace the microphone, you still got your boom arm kit. And I mean, bottom line is, it is a great value for the money. It's around 20 bucks for a boom arm, so that makes the microphone around, what, $25-ish? You can't really complain about that. So yeah, this thing will get you off to a really, really good start. Now, if you're handhelding it, you know, it does have handling noise just like every microphone, but you know, you want to make sure you got a nice grip on a microphone when you're hand holding it. You don't want to be all loosey-goosey like that, because you don't want all that handling noise. So if you use a microphone properly in your hand, you're not going to have any issues. Just make sure when you're gripping it like this, you don't press the buttons, because you don't want to be hitting those buttons when you're recording something. So, you know, just kind of grip it low on the mic, and yeah, you'll be okay. So my overall thoughts are, this is a cheap microphone that sounds pretty nice. It's definitely worth the money. It's a great starter microphone. So if you're on a really tight budget and you don't have a lot to spend, you can get a boom arm, you can get a microphone, or you can even get the cheaper one with the desk stand if you really want a desk stand for, you know, 35 to 45 bucks. You can't really beat that. Good value for the money. I like it, you know. It's not going to give you pro quality sound, but it is going to make you sound very nice for not a lot of money. So it's a very good deal. I mean, like I said, I review things according to the cost. But according to the cost, you can't complain too much about what you're getting here. So yeah, nice microphone kit. All right, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you drop down the video description, you'll see some affiliate links to get these, some affiliate links to get some other stuff, some Waves plugins, some cool things, some stuff, my Discord server, my YouTube channels, this thing, that thing, the other thing, and a bunch of junk. So yeah, drop it down, check it out, and we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Lightning out. See ya.